Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make fish pickle, or in Malayalam it's called as meen achar. Very easy and tasty recipe. So let's go ahead and go for the ingredients. I've added the ingredients in the description box. You can check it out there. So let's get started. The first step we are going to do is marinate the fish. I have taken sailfish. You can choose any fish of your choice, but make sure it's a meaty fish and has no bones in it, so it tastes much better. So I'm gonna take 2 pounds of fish, and to this I'm gonna add the chili powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, and salt. Mix everything together. After mixing everything, we're gonna keep it aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes of marination, we are going to fry the fish. So I'm just taking some vegetable oil. Now my oil is hot. Let's fry the fish. I have finished frying it on all the sides. See how crispy it is? That's how we want our fish to be. After frying the fish, take another pan, add gingerly oil or sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add mustard seeds. Now we are going to add ginger, garlic and curry leaves. After a while of sauteing, let's bring the heat to a medium flame, and then we'll add the spices. I'm going to add the chili powder, turmeric powder, fenugreek powder, and asafoetida. And mix it. After a minute of sauteing, let's add the fried fish. Mix everything together. Now we can add the white vinegar. Adjust the salt at this time. Mix it, and once it comes to a boil, you can turn off the stove. Now your fish pickle or meen achar is ready now. Let's serve it to a plate. Now let's try the fish pickle. The pickle or the achar, it's so good, it's so tasty. It's got that sourness from the vinegar and the spices, everything blending together. Let's try the char or the gravy. And this is like Indian style. very tasty. If you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also enjoy our recipe. Thank you.